Endobeso.
Kugenda mu mukaaga tifama ekintu eky'omuziki.
Endobeso.
Waliwo wanagambye nti wano tulinawo omuwakanyi agamba tekisoboka tebiriyo babapanga abantu kati nze abo benjagala nembakwata bwino bano tekisoboka nti temunsobola
tekiriyo
agarayo
tugendeyo
tulumbe
ono mufuna akwade namba ye sembiza ono namba sembiza
Putiniti
ono ulira
Putiniti
bya muyita waleero akwade ya
mulina
mulina
Yes.
Good morning, madam. I'm sorry, did I wake you up?
Yes.
I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to wake you up, but now we are at the Kawempe police and we have someone here who has made the complaint. This is Madam Irene, right? Yes, this person is saying they are your customer, but they apparently yesterday you people had the whatever, I don't know if it was a fight, according to this person, that you mistreated them. So they've come to make a complaint.
What's their names?
She's called the Madam Appeal.
I guess you're talking to a wrong person.
Do you sell Ricas?
No, I don't.
Wines and the spirit?
No, I don't.
You do not, but why would this person give us this number even in the Madam? She said you are called Madam Irene Nakareme.
Of course, you're getting the names from the phone.
Okay.
You're getting the names from the line.
I'm sorry, that is not the case, but if you are not convinced, you can go to Kawempe and find out. Because we have no reason to, in the morning, to call somebody just to make them, to give them wrong information.
Oh, that is wrong information. Because I have no one who fought yesterday. Actually, we don't have any people who fight from there. If you're insisting, yeah, I can come with my husband.
Yes, it is okay. It is okay.
Yeah, so when we come there, whom should we ask?
You can ask for Afande Atonjire.
Atonjire?
Afande Atonjire, room 4.
Okay.
Because that is
someone there already.
Yes.
Let me first call him and we see.
You have somebody there already?
Yes.
Okay, now
we have a police officer there. Let me first call him.
Here at the station,
Exactly.
It's okay, you can call them.
Thank you.
Madam.
No, she's still in office because she's making complaint about a wrong person. Madam is saying she doesn't sell wine, but this woman is saying that she beat her. But it is okay, madam.
Yes, please.
Madam Irene, it is okay. Yes. Please call that person, or if you have time today, you can pass by, and we rectify this because we don't know why this person would actually make claims.
But may I think, in case of something like that,
yes,
you're supposed to come to my shop.
The reason why I called was to get an appointment with you, since it is very early in the morning. I wanted to ask you what time you be there so that I come.
And another thing,
yes,
you have security.
You have security around?
Yes.
Oh, good.
So there is no way someone can come to police and complain without the security knowing.
No, because this person came in very early to complain. So we are taking statement, and the reason why we decided to call you to inform you before. Now this is the case again. She's saying that oli kubiti fama ekintabuli ky'omuziki ekisinga you are pranked.
Wagala tosoboka. Madam, wagala tekitebiriyo bya kiyayi. Tabyogedde byonna.
Madam Irene. Good morning, Irene.
Good morning. How are you?
I am very well. Oyogera ne Sali Mama Kabina ku Beat Farm wa mune jingo nyugunya.
Mama Kabina, why are you munanga? For real.
Wanje. Chikulide.
Bada sobola chikiriza kubanga. Tebanabaawo incident yonna efaanana.
Bambi, mune tusonyiwa okuteeka mu mbeera eyo this early morning. But your friends love you so much.
Thank you. Abiweereza ndi naye wano ngenda mwokyabo. Ndakota mose.
Tomwocha muleke. Kale.
Bela bulungi.
Kale mukwana.
Kukyenda mu mukaaga katenzi esatu biyite famma ekintu buli ky'omuziki.
Kale. Bwebite bigenze.
Bw'otabeereyo mukwano n'otuulira omuntu wo.
Bambi agambye kindidde. Akawuliza waffe mukawuliddeko olunaku olwaleero omukyala yali agamba yani omukyala Irene ng'agamba tekisoboka nze bankuba byate essimu nze ne banjogeza ebitakwatagana tekiriyo
abantu babeera babapanze babeera abantu
babaabwe sirika simu
noonya omuntu bwatyo bw'abajjaayo bwekola bukozi bakola kibapanga abantu bakale gwekwata
Kabina ne Uncle Jingo balamusiza nnyo mwebalokera okuweereza gwanga amazima gali nti bantu mwesimanyi nti mulira abaggulu bannange omukyala akakasizza akkiriza nti bimulidde yes twagala abantu bwe bati abakkiriza yabadde awakana awunzise ng'akkiriza nsigadde ndi Enzono Dubai mwebalokera okuweereza gwanga mbaagala nnyo
wabali tuweereza kojja Jino ne Mamusali ono Mama Kulisi naye bannange abantu bwe batyo kyetaagisa abawakana bwe batyo kyetaagisa naye n'ekimutuusa agenza okulaba nga kimulidde kituufu nga kimulidde bannange naye bannaye kuzuulawo olwaleero ekyo ekiwala nange nkimanyi kyajjaamu nga kinneebuubako sigadde nti Mama Kulisi afunda ekigere mugiriza unene
kale munnange omuwala omumanyi neno agambe omuwala amumanyi abaayi
oli owazuula owazuula yesereebu kati
naye nange bantu bange temuli bangu naye eggulu temulikombyeko olowooza ekisamba Irene kimulese waggulu ali ku kisamba kya nnyanja wuyo agenda
kimutengejja
naye nga bali kutuweereza abantu bange tubaagala nnyo
naffe tukwagala
mukwano
Madamu Sali mwebale kuweereza enze bwakola manzani nga ndi busiika kituufu neno nayo bonna beewaana Endobeso teriiyo era tebasobola kundobesa naye mujja bakolangako mpola abirabye naye atidde
bwakunze abo bampeereze baweereze
weza buweereze owulire eŋŋoma
afande ntonjire talina gyolaga don't expect to go somewhere ne Papa Jingo yajja genda Irene bukyanga wepanka tebiriyo kakasiza nti leero gyebiri nenga mwene temujja genda mugulu atakkiriza nego bava okuwuddisa naye kuva ku makya muvuga speed paka nakati muvuga speed bwabadde kyolunaku lwolwaleero
ffe tuli naawe mu buli mbeera
mukaaga katenzi esatu biyite famma ekintu buli ky'omuziki